Managing Start Centers in Maximo Application Suite. After logging into MOS Manage, you will be directed to your default Start Center. The Start Center serves as a dashboard, offering quick access to your most used tools and KPIs. You can have multiple Start Centers for different needs, and have the flexibility to customize the template of your Start Center. Familiarize yourself with the different portlets available in the Start Center. A portlet is a configurable window that offers quick access to applications and actions, providing a snapshot view of data tailored to a job function. Portlets may include KPI graphs, inbox assignments, result sets, and more. See the slide for various options to modify your personal Start Center. Locate the Change Content/Layout button on your Start Center page to enter customization mode. In Change Content/Layout mode, you will see various options to customize your Start Center, including changing the layout type, changing the description of your Start Center, adding new portlets to display different types of information, removing portlets that are not relevant to your tasks, rearranging portlets by ordering portlets in a way that suits your workflow. Click on the Select Content button to view the list of available portlets. Select the type of portlet you want to add, such as KPI graphs, bulletin boards, or quick insert forms. We will add a KPI graph portlet for this example. Identify any portlets that are not relevant to your daily tasks. Click on the trash icon to remove them from your Start Center. Reorder portlets in a way that suits your workflow. Place the most frequently used portlets at the top for easy access. Ensure the layout is organized and visually appealing. Once you have added, removed, or rearranged portlets, locate the Finish button at the bottom of the page to save and exit Change Content/Layout mode. Verify that your Start Center now displays the most relevant information and has an optimized layout. If you belong to more than one security group, you might see more than one tab. Each tab is a Start Center for a different security group. You can set which Start Center you want to open by default when you navigate to the home page. To do this, click the Settings gear icon to open the Display Settings window. Select the checkbox next to the Start Center that you want to open by default. You can check only one default Start Center. You can also hide Start Centers by unchecking Display. Click OK. Here you'll see we changed the default Start Center from Manager to now Inventory. Locate the favorite applications portlet within your Start Center. Enter Edit mode by clicking on the Edit Portlet button to enter Edit Portlet mode. This will allow you to make changes to the layout and content of your portlet. In the customization mode, you can add new applications to your favorites by going to Actions, then select Applications. Search and check any applications that you frequently use. Click OK. Remove applications from your favorites by clicking Mark Row for delete. You can reorder your favorite applications by renumbering them from the order column. Once you have added, removed, or organized applications in your favorite applications portlet, locate the Actions button and click Finished to apply your changes and exit the customization mode. Verify that your favorite applications portlet reflects the updates and is organized according to your preferences. In this video, we will modify a result set portlet to add the requested date column and also color code PRs in waiting on approval status to red. Locate the result set portlet within your Start Center. Enter Edit Portlet mode. In Edit mode, you will see various options to customize your result set portlet, including application, query, fields, chart options, and color options. Select the application from which you want to retrieve data for the result set portlet. Choose or create a query to filter the data displayed in the portlet. Add, remove, or rearrange selected fields to display the specific information you need. To add a new column to the portlet, navigate to the Available Fields section. Search and select the field, Requested Date. Click Add Selected, under Actions. Ensure the Requested Date field is added to the Selected Fields section below, and adjust its order if necessary. To adjust the color based on status, navigate to the Color Options tab. Click on Condition attribute and set the condition to change based on status. Then, add a new row for color parameter. We want to use the expression, =2, and status is Whopper. Select the color red. Save the condition to apply the color coding rule. Click on Finish to exit Edit mode. Verify that the results set portlet now displays the requested date column and highlights records with the status whopper in red. Key performance indicators are metrics used to measure the performance and success of specific activities or processes. We will configure the KPI graph portlet that we set up in a previous slide. Locate the KPI graph portlet and click Edit Portlet. Click the Actions button, then click Select KPIs. In this case, we will select the Open POs KPI. Click OK. Click the Actions button and select Finished. Once configured, the KPI portlets will display real-time data and performance metrics. Use KPI graphs to visualize trends and patterns over time to understand your performance. Most managers should have access to the KPI Manager application. If you have access, go to the navigation menu. Click Administration. Then KPI. Finally, select KPI Manager from the drop-down menu. Follow these steps to create and maintain a simple Maximo KPI. Click on the Create New KPI option. Give a name and description to the KPI. For example, let's name it Whopper POs, with description, POs waiting on approval. By default, the KPI will be of decimal type, but you can change this to percentage if needed. Enter a select statement to specify the selection criteria, such as the statement shown in this video, to count POs. Next, enter the Where clause to specify the KPI query, such as the clause shown in this video, to find all POs in waiting on approval status. To change the graph colors from green to yellow to red, in the KPI Parameters section, specify values in the Target field, Caution at field, and Alert at field. The target value is your goal, where the graph turns green. Caution is the point where green turns into yellow. Alert is when yellow turns to red. If you want everyone to have access to the KPI, select the Public checkbox. Save the key performance indicator. You should now be able to associate this KPI to a KPI graph or KPI list Start Center portlet. See this slide for both a KPI graph portlet and a KPI list portlet that use the Whopper POs KPI that we created in the previous slide.